In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Animator Sprite Swap System to reuse animations for different characters. To begin using the Animator Sprite Swap, you will need to have an existing Animator Controller asset with animation clips. For this example, we will be using a simple Animator Controller setup with 3 animation states. Sprites used for these animations can be found in this sliced sprite sheet. In this tutorial, we will be creating an Animator Reskin asset to replace these sprites with ones from another spritesheet texture. Before we begin, let's duplicate our character first. We will use the Sprite Swap system on the duplicate. To create an Animator Reskin asset, open Tools, Animation, Reskin. Select your character's animation controller you want to create a reskin asset for. Next, click on Generate. You will be shown a list of sprite sheets that are used for the animations found in the animation controller asset. Select the sliced spritesheet texture you want to replace the original with. Again, click on Generate. An Animator Reskin asset should be generated in Assets directory by the name of your Animator controller. Inside it, you will find all of the states in the animation controller that were found in the Animator controller asset. Each state in the Reskin asset contains keyframe data and sprite. Each animation state will be labeled by its respective directory in the Animator controller. Now, select your character in the hierarchy. Add the Reskin script component to the game object by dragging the Reskin script to the object, or using the Add Component button in the inspector. Next, assign the Animator Reskin asset you previously created to the Reskin Components Reskin Asset property. Once you are finished with these steps, upon entering play mode, your character's animations should be using the sprites from the Animator Reskin asset you created. You can try disabling and enabling the Reskin component to see how the animations switch back and forth. To easier identify the new character in the editor, I suggest assigning him a new sprite. Now that we know how to use the Animator Sprite Swap system, let's quickly create 2 more characters. Let's create 2 more duplicates. Next, create 2 more Animator Reskin assets using 2 different sprite sheets. Assign those Animator Reskin assets to our duplicate character game objects. Upon entering play mode, all characters should be playing the same animations using sprites from different sprite sheets. It's quick and simple. This concludes the tutorial. Hope this helps.